to this workshop. So this is a workshop that the department holds every year, twice a year, before the starting of the new semester. All right. So it has many objectives, but one of the most important objectives is to, first of all, bring the visiting faculty as well as the in-house faculty in one place so that they can know each other.
Those that your department is doing good. That's why we have requested them also to join and try to understand what is happening, what they do. Just at the end of semester and before they start running the semester.
Even after this workshop, you can work further on it, and once you get approval from the academic department, you will be sharing that post with the students.
पन्ध्रमा र स्वप्निल संसारमा रमा रञ्जन बाबुको र पारिजातको सुश्री
The course aims to examine how digital disruption has reshaped storytelling, distribution, and exhibition.
I'll give them a brief introduction to who I am and my work experience so they know why I'm qualified to teach this course, since I won't know most of the students.